Good morning everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours. Still in lovely Marmaris, it's our last day today and we're just taking a little morning stroll. We're going to take a walk to Blueport Shopping Centre and I thought I'd take you guys along with us. So let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe. So you've got another outlet there, that's the Forum Outlet Textile. Let us know in the comments below if you've been to that one. Just walked along the beach and now we're walking along the sort of main road. Got a big Migros there as well. It's like their local shopping centre for food. And they've got another one called BIM. Is it BIM? BIM? BIM, yeah. But this side it seems to be more Migros. But we went another side of Marmaris and they had more of the bin ones, didn't they? Got a little electrical sword there, it says SIM card. Because if you're coming from the England, UK, SIM cards don't work out here. So you have to like rely on Wi-Fi. You've got your jewellery, loads of different shoe places. Everyone picking up their bargains. We've already done our shopping. That'll probably already be out, so if you do want to check out our shopping videos, we've gone around all the bazaars in Marmaris. So wait for that to go past, 1 second. So yeah, so we went all the bazaars and then we also did all the Ishmael. And we've also done along here, we're now just doing Blueport. So hopefully we've covered all your sort of shopping inquiries and you guys can have a good little kind of decision if you are coming out to Marmaris. If you are coming out to Marmaris, where is the best place for you to get the best bargains? Hopefully we've helped narrow that down. We've tried to keep it as current as possible, so if you are coming out this month or next month, it should be relatively the same. So that's the other water park, if you can see that in the distance. So that one you can get most of the time a transfer if you're not staying close to it from your hotels. And then they'll, collect you and drop you back. And it's a sort of day thing, so they'll come and get you around sort of 9:30, 10. And then I think you stay there until sort of like 5, 6. So it's a nice day out. You enjoy your water parks. Then I'd recommend doing that. Really hot already. It started off this morning, there was quite a nice little breeze. So we went out earlier to get our sort of stuff ready for packed lunch for the airport. But yeah, fast forward an hour and it's roasting. Some more hotels and shops on that side. Ooh. I want to get my shoes wet. Got Gazelle Port there. So we're coming to Blueport. So from where we're staying, Blueport is about a 2-minute walk, but we've obviously just gone like the long way round. So we've gone around the beach and then we go out through the back roads and then we're on the main road. Just to give everyone their bearings. Nice little bench area there. Got your bus stops. Bus is really frequent, really cheap. We got a bus the other day to Ishmael from Marmaris and then obviously back. And it cost us like 40 pence UK money each. So return, or it's like 80p, just under £1 to get you there and back. So really, really cheap. Got Blue Bay, nice big hotel, that one. Let us know if you've stayed there. Nice little restaurant. So it's still sort of late morning. It's people sort of having their breakfast, relaxing. It's nice and calm this time of day. There you go, you got the pub. Self-explanatory. go. Fully air conditioned, get your breakfast. Your food. Another really big hotel there. Again, let us know if you stayed at any of these sort of larger resorts. That's pretty. I'll show you guys. Get your waffles. Again, get your breakfast. Just got to look around if you're looking for the sort of best options. I always say just look around, there's plenty of options. A little convenient shop this morning. And then you can usually get the best deals. So you got the Welsh pub over there. Hotel Oasis. And then you've got a Turkish bank. All your little shops. Like I said, there's so much shopping option. I think when we go to Blueport, it's slightly more, or what we've been told, because we've not actually been inside, it's more like high end. So we'll have a look compared to what it's like in the bazaars we've been to, in the shops in Ishmael, and then all the shops that you kind of have as you're walking along. Because these ones are quite competitive, so you can sort of haggle and, you know, get some good deals. Mall of Marmaris, city outlet. There you go, all your designer bags. Right, so this is like the little square, got a Manchester City bar there. Loads of football pubs. We just go into any, but you've got Manchester, you've got Manchester City, you've got the... We haven't seen Tottenham, that's a really good point. But you've got most of the main ones, apart from Tottenham. Because there's an Arsenal one, isn't there? You've got the Anfield. But yeah, no, at Tottenham. Again, more shops along that side. This bar's got soft play. So yeah, a lot of the bars do have that. Hello, morning.
Oh, you're right. Morning.
They have all of those options. So if you have got a small kids, you can sort of go into most of these bars and restaurants. They have got somewhere they can run around and let loose. They have like little play areas, and then you can still sit down and have a cocktail, which is quite nice. And a lot of them have pools as well, which is good. So you can go there, buy a drink, and use the pool facilities. But again, a lot of these hotels here do have pools, but you go to some places and, you know, your hotel might not have a pool, so it's nice when you've got all the bars that give you that option. A little bit of shade. So we've got Popeyes, which is basically like a KFC. You're not going to be catching us in there. Another Migros across the road. So that's probably our most closest one. Oh, you got the Irish bar. They're all open for breakfast, so again, if you get up late, most of them do like an all-day breakfast. So you've got that option. Got Aussie shop over there. Some more clothes stores, hairdressers, get your eyes done. It's unisex. Got more. It's a hotel bar. It's quite swanky, that one. Let's give you guys price point. I had a good holiday, but you always feel so tired towards the end. We've action-packed a lot into this one. So yeah, I feel like we've done a lot. Okay, thank you for your excursions. So yeah, we have done a lot, which has been good. We're only here for a week, so we had some good down days. And then we've also had some action-packed days as well. Hello. Had some messy nights out, some really, really fun nights out. We went to Bar Street. So by the time you watch this, that one will probably be out. And that was a really, really fun night out. First time going to Bar Street. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. And I made like a couple of really good nights out at the beginning in Ishmael. Met a lovely sort of family. So they'll be in some of those videos. So yeah, I feel like we've really sort of squeezed in a lot. Looking forward to getting back to the routine, home life, seeing the doggies, and then gearing up for the next trip. Right, so we have made it to Blueport Shopping Centre. So that was what, about a 10-minute walk, 15? Yeah, I will. So there we go, the beautiful Blueport. Don't forget to comment below if you've been there and let us know if it's the best one or not. See you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.